be making a Caprese salad with balsamic reduction. And the reduction is going to be the honey.
The honey and the balsamic.
And the balsamic. Okay. So what are we gonna do first?
First thing is let's get our tomatoes washed.
Okay.
So wash the tomatoes.
Go.
Okay, so the best knife to cut the tomatoes is a serrated edge, because if you use something too flat, it'll mush sort of the delicate skin of the tomato. So you just want to kind of cut it a little bit thicker than you normally might, because you've got to balance it out with the cheese. And you want just the right amount of tomato with cheese.
Okay.
So kind of about that thickness. Here's one of our secret ingredients. It's the fresh mozzarella. And the goal with this is just to kind of, not too thick, so that one piece is a little too thick. And you're wanting to kind of fit the size of the tomato. So like that's about the right size.
Okay.
So you'll have to do smaller or bigger. So go ahead and cut maybe 10 or so slices, and we'll see how they go.
So that's a little too thick. I'll
Just cut that one in half. Kind of down the middle. And then while you're doing that, I'll start to assemble some here. It's going to be so yummy. So we'll start to assemble these on the in here. So we'll kind of one, and then one tomato. We've got two different kinds of tomatoes here. We've got the Kumato, that's the darker brown, and I really like the flavor of that. But traditionally a Caprese salad is with just a regular red, big boy or early girl kind of tomato.
So it's more to add the looks to the dish more than flavor, unless you're...
Well, I like the flavor better.
Really?
Yeah, I do. It's a little bit more like an heirloom tomato, which is really nice. So there we go. And then we want to finish off with our basil. So about one piece of basil per tomato. So to go ahead and cut some basil off. You don't have to mean or even just cut out like a stem. Like right here. Stem for me, stem for you, and we'll just take it and go from there.
Okay.
Okay, so we're finishing off with our balsamic and honey reduction sauce, just sort of drizzling it over. We've got some really rich dark color on there, and of course it's going to add a bit of sweet and sour to our tomatoes and make them look beautiful. So there we go, Caprese salad with balsamic reduction.